What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Thousand Oaks. Haven't been out to Westlake in a while, so yeah, let's go see what's up. Is this Westlake? Is this Thousand Oaks? I don't know, but Nike Westlake, that's where we're at. Let's go look around. They do got a couple Jordans here. Well, one Jordan and this monstrosity. They've had these for probably about a month. It is regular price. Yeah, got sizes all the way from 9 to 15. Got plenty of them. And then like I said, also got this. Got some of these Zions. Then if you walk over here, this is all the stuff that they do have. Look, got 6s. So they might have multiple sizes on these if you ask. And then the Heritage as well. So you got these. Okay. All right, we are checking out the clearance section now right here. Everything is 20% off. You can see the sign right there. Okay. Brown Palmers. These are size 7. Go for $195. Some Bo Jacksons. Another size 7. This is $120, which is retail. Blazers, extra long hair suede. Dude, I like the material on this like crazy. $100. 7.5, $180 for these Air Max 97s. That's $190 plus 20 off. Seen these plenty of times. $140 and $175 for these. These are 7.5 as well. Size 8 Infinity Round Flyknits go for $90. There's this OG Challengers down to $40. You get that 20% off. N7 Air Force Ones. The suede on top. Okay, is that suede? Is that? Yeah, it looks like suede. Okay, that's $110. Got one of these. The Zoom GT Jumps. $170. $170 for these as well. Not bad. Remember, you do get full box for everything. So yeah, $170, you get 20 off. What? Look at this. Vapor Max Flyknit. Going for $100. It does come in a replacement box. $100 though, dude. Are you serious? For 2021s? That is a freaking steal. Some of y'all gonna be mad at me for not getting these, but I don't really have the money to help everybody out and stuff. So yeah, we're leaving them. Got some Jordan 36s, $165. You get that 20 off. Size 9, $140 for these. This has that premium suede leather, super nice. You know what? I skipped these. $210. You get that 20 off, man. That makes it totally worth it. Prestos right here. Presto React size 9 go for $70. Ooh, this is interesting. Raiders go for $30. Bunch of size 10s here. $190 for these bad boys. These are 10.5, going for $170. Hirachis, I don't think I've seen this colorway. $1.25 for this one. $120 for these. These are 10.5, normally $130. Got a Michigan one right here. Pegasus 38, going for $120. Dude got some Air Force Ones right here. Some mids, extra gaudy. These are $140. Size 11 to be able to get these for $130. You do get that 20% off. That's crazy here. Let's take a look at the box. I've never seen the box for these. I've only seen these a couple times. Let's come with the Hello Kitty papers. Okay. That's actually a hell of a deal, if that's what you're into. Does have the Hello Kitty in the back as well. Okay. Size 10.5. Gore-Tex 2 bills. That 20% off is so clutch, dude. Dang, okay. Size 11.5. $60 for these. Man, if they had this in my kid size, I would grab this for $60 and then you get the 20 off. Someone just asked if they had a size 9 in those Hello Kitties, and they have them. They're getting into them. So I guess you can ask for different sizes. Got these really dirty Go Fly E's here, go for $120. That's a size 12. Got some clean green ones, size 12 as well, $120. Size 12 Zions, $110 for those. Big size is really not much. Just these LeBrons right here, size 14, go for $220. That's about it. I do want to check out some of the apparel, and they have some really good stuff here. I've bought tons of stuff here. Tech fleece sweatshirts going for $100. Those are smalls right there. And this Nike Golf jacket, that's going for $70. Really nice hoodie. Man, I really like that material on this one. $45 as opposed to $100. Medium hoodies down to $30. These are normally $85. Jordan jacket down to $80, normally $185. More Nike hoodies. Oh, actually, that's not a hoodie, it's a sweatshirt. There's no hoodie on it. These are smalls, going for $30. Oh yeah, I was like, no, these are larges. There's a small here as well. Okay, I've never seen this hoodie with this material. Okay, $70 for this one. I have no clue what it is. The material is pretty soft. Shorts, not really seeing anything that stands out too much. $20 as opposed to $55 though. So they definitely got deals. I just not feeling into these shorts. Bunch of t-shirts. $20 for this one. It's not even on sale. They got other t-shirts. So like this one's going for $10. You do get 20% off. That's a dry fit. And easy bucket shirts, $10. These are smalls though. Hawaiian shirt down to $60, normally $85. Couple of jerseys, fulls aren't even on the teams anymore. So $40 for these. That's an off-field jersey, normally $160. And this is another one for Smith Schuster. He's not on that team anymore, down to $140. More clearance apparel. They got what are these? Fleece pants or sweatpants going for $35. Normally $90. These are the flight ones that are super nice. Got large, extra large. Dude, got LeBron City pack jerseys. These are all size smalls though, going for $90. They're all smalls. All right, not too crazy with the apparel. Let's check out the aisles. Look at these Air Max 95s. Man, that's close to $100. Got plenty of sizes. I think, not too crazy. All right, up to size 11s pretty much. Venture Runners, 2017s. Oh, that's the cheapest to see with the kill shot leathers. Pretty nice casual shoes, super nice leather on them. It has leather in the name, so you would hope that it has really good leather. Crater Remixes. Space Hippie 4s, down to what is that, $40 now? Looking for running shoes for my kid. I don't really see much here though. Not for the price I want. This is actually really cheap, but he's not gonna want purple. This is dope, but I'm too cheap. I want to find it cheaper. Trail running shoes, Terra Kigers. Another one of those. Not much today, and that's it. Invincible on Flyknits. Let's go check out the women's clearance section. I've never seen these before. These are some mids. These are an SE. So $135. These are size 9 women's. Was that 7.5 men's? Oh, you did get the full box, remember? That's dope. Size 8. I've never seen these either. Like full velvet. Wow. Air Max 90s. $120 for these. These are size 8. More size 8s right here. Got the 3M right there. Oh, that's pretty dope. $130 for these. Size 10 women's. Be able to get these for 20% off. And full box, that's what's up. Got some comforts here. I didn't know these were women's sizing. Okay. These are size 10. $140 for these. That's not bad at all. Size 9 Invincible on Flyknits right here. Going for $170. $130 for these. I don't think I've ever seen these Air Max 90s. Size 9. Size 11. Vaporfly Next Percent's going for $2. $130 for these. These are 7.5 for here. Check out smaller size of women's. Vaporfly Next Percent size 8. It's going for $240. 7.5. So Phantom Run React Flyknits going for $135. These are 7.5 right here. $130 for these. Size 7 going for $120. Air Max 90s. Got some Dunks left over. I remember them having these in the aisles a while back. $105 for these. Get 20% off. That's not bad at all, especially with full box. 6.5, $165 for these. Okay, I think that's pretty much about it. Not much in the women's section in terms of the aisles, but do got these. Look at this. Some Fontankas. These do have React in it. They are Air Force Ones for freaking $40. That's ridiculous. Some Air Force One Shadows going for pretty cheap. Air Max 90s. Blazer low platforms, so obviously these are way higher than normal. Do got some Dunks. This is a women's. They got all the way from size 6 to size 10. We know these don't have that much resale value, but still, I thought everybody was on the Dunks, no? But it's all hype now, that's what it seems like. Like, these are freaking dope. Air Force Ones, these are the Shadows. But yeah, also got a little sale on them too. Checking out the women's running shoes. Pegasus 37 Shields. Look at the price on that one. 37s. More Pegasus 37s. React Myler Shields. React Phantom Flyknit 2s. Pegasus 37, 38s now. Another one of those. And they got a couple more. Oh, that's a Zoom Fly. My bad. This is very similar. Actually, not similar at all. What am I talking about? Never mind. Infinity Run Findin 2s. And then another one of those. Wait, look what I missed earlier. Summer has started. Single digits is down to $8. And then they got another one too. $8, dude. That's crazy. Alright, I did look around, man. I scrounged around. I tried. And I think I found everything we could find here. Alright, let's head out. Let's get the hell out of here. See you. Alright guys, that was Nike outlet, or not Nike Westlake actually. Technically not an outlet. Pretty much an outlet though. They have a lot of the same deals as most of the outlets. But yeah, they are listed as technically a retail store. But I see it more of it like a Unite store or something. It's kind of weird. But a lot of the Nike outlets do got deals right now. Of course, you guys know it is a hit or miss. Sometimes they got heat, sometimes they don't. But they had some deals, man. They had some deals. They had some steals. Those Hello Kitty, what are those? Prestos, the Hello Kitty Prestos. Those have been not the easiest to find. They've sold out at most places. To be able to get that for 20% off, that's kind of crazy. That's not really my cup of tea, but you know, that's somebody's cup of tea. but yeah, the Air Max 95s, those going for like a little over $100. That was super insane. Remember, you did get full box and everything. That was actually in the aisle, so you get full box anyways. But yeah, that was kind of insane. I did see those at a couple of different Nike outlets. We saw some Jordan 1s in the women's section. Those are pretty dope. The Comfort ones as well. You know, obviously they didn't have that many sizes. If you do see something at this spot, you know, it might be worth asking if they have any more in the back, because sometimes they do. So yeah, so that was pretty dope. And then them Dunks, to see some Dunk highs, that's pretty dope. I know they don't really have resale value, but for the collectors, that's what's up. That's what's up. You want some Dunks, you want to pay retail, you know, that's not bad. That's not bad. So hope you guys are out and about this weekend. I actually went out on Friday. I went out on Saturday. I'm probably going to be out tomorrow as well. When you guys see this video, probably going to be out and about later in the afternoon. So we'll see. If you guys happen to be out, I'll be out there, say what's up, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, I got plenty more coming. See you guys next video. Now, yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Make sure you guys, bye-bye. Whatever. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.